Hi folks, this is Simon C. Welcome to my new AI video. Today I'm gonna talk about Rabbit, another handheld AI device aiming to create a post-smartphone experience. So this new California-based tech company, Rabbit, partnered with Swedish electronic company Teenage Engineering to create a pocket-sized artificial intelligence-based device separate from a smartphone, Rabbit R1, designed to control a user's apps by using its push-to-talk button, for example, to ask a question or play a song on Spotify, as if you were speaking into a walkie-talkie, without distracting you from what's important. His CEO, Jess Liu, pitches his simplest computer and companion, Rabbit, by stating that current smartphones aren't intuitive. Their app-based economies are black holes in which you may get lost, and the proprietary foundation model embedded in this pocket device can leverage a large language model understand a user's intentions to access apps without downloading them and trigger actions on their behalf with their permission. Specifically, this foundation model, called the Large Action Model, briefly LAM, leverages recent advances in neurosymbolic programming to enable the direct modeling of the structure, the interface of various mobile applications and user actions performed on them without a transitory representation such as text. Ultimately, your voiced intentions, Rabbit's interface and the model trigger interaction form the so-called Rabbit OS, which operates apps on Rabbit's secured cloud and operates the device itself, and supposedly create such an unforgettable user experience to suck you into its rabbit hole and make you get rid of your smartphone. More specifically, Rabbit says it chose the R1's shape and features so that it can activate user tasks faster than an advanced smartphone can. The handheld device weighs 115 grams and is roughly the size of a single stack of post-it notes. It has 2.88-inch touchscreen display. A scroll will navigate through cards that provide textual information on the tasks being performed by artificial intelligence. A rotating camera can perform computer vision tasks. For example, what are the ingredients of this food item? It is capable of making video calls. It has Wi-Fi and cellular connectivity, a MediaTek processor, 4 GB of memory, 128 GB of storage, a USB-C port and a SIM card slot. Its battery will last all day, Rabbit claims. The new R1 device will cost $199 United States. Not clear if you have to pay the additional connection to their cloud, though. I'm amazed by all this ingenuity, so the only advice I feel like to give to this brilliant young man is to take a course in Napolitan gesticulation to make his great presentations more immersive. This speech-to-action concept sounds interesting, as I despise smartphones along with the ads trying to sell me these devices whenever I watch El Fútbol. And I'd really love to use a device less invasive and time-wasting. From the demo though, I saw that you have to use a laptop to access a company web portal called the Rabbit Hole indeed, to connect to apps and, more importantly, to sometimes perform some tasks like emailing documents created by the LAM. This system is gonna improve, I think, if they can make the device profitable, which they're doing apparently. Tech aficionados definitely see potential in this device, as the company just announced that Rabbit R1 quickly sold out of its first batch with 10,000 units in a day. This first batch will ship in late March 2024. A second batch of R1s is available for pre-order with shipments in April or May of this year. Additionally, later this year, users will be able to use a teach mode to directly train the LAM model to use their go-to apps through the web portal, by demonstrating how they use their apps. Humane, creator of the AI pin wearable assistant, may be so scared of Rabbit that has let go of 10 employees, affecting 4% of its workforce. As, in the words of Human CEO and co-founder Bethany Bongiorno, it evolves with purpose for this next phase of growth. Company grows, people laid off. Lao Tzu. Hopefully, the changes will help Human prioritize the development of its multimodal AI platform and avoid getting disrupted by Rabbit, which risks being wiped out by Siri, according to Stephen Robles. He knows that if your iPhone with the same apps installed had a voice assistant powerful enough to understand your imperfect request and do the thing you intended, there's no reason for these other gadgets to exist. As for using the smartphone less, he notes that there already is the Apple Watch connecting you to your inner circle, providing you a voice assistant and playing audios. So when Siri will be soon powered by Apple's proprietary Apple GPT Ajax, currently in development, or I would say even by an open source one like their recent multimodal Ferret, it will definitely get better than it currently is, good enough with billion order user base, and make people forget about gadgets like Rabbit. Indeed, there's no shortage of virtual assistants capable of doing almost exactly what Rabbit's R1 claims to do. Plus, Google with Bard, Amazon with Alexa LLM, and Microsoft with Copilot are also injecting their own virtual helpers with generative AI smarts to make them even better at handling complex requests more easily. But Liu sees the need for a purpose-built device for getting things done. More simply, Rabbit may see a rapid descent into oblivion for the simple fact that, according to many experts, the speech-to-action experience should have been embedded into a single app you could download to your phone, no matter it is an Android or an iPhone 1. And furtherly, because of Llama running in Rabbit's own cloud, you can use it only if you're connected to the internet, which is not obvious, or which was simply annoying in case you wanted to spare your data from your mobile plan. Good luck, by the way. Furtherly, what I find dangerous about approaches like Rabbit's, more than sending a proxy AI agent to use your apps and make unwanted purchases, is delegating your thinking to a micro PC. So please enjoy planning a trip to London together with friends instead of asking Rabbit to make a plan for you. Okay, it's all for today. If you liked the video, hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. See you the next time. Bye.